This is the wood I'm using to build my third floor that I had cut by someone else to save time. This is supposed to be a 3x8, more like a 4x9. Totally fine. Extra wood is not a problem because I'm going to trim it, plane it anyway. Although I had planned for it to be less than 3x8, but whatever, totally fine. There is a minor problem though, which hopefully does not become a major problem, is that there are termites in these boards. This one is actually looking pretty good. But I'm dismantling my pile of wood where it's drying. And while I've got a sunny day here, I hope this sticks. Doesn't start raining in 20 minutes or something. But I'm pulling every board out, brushing them off. I'm just talking to the camera, I'm not insane.
Just making sure.
Hey guys! Just talking to the trees. Anyway, brushing off every board. This one looks like it doesn't have any termite damage at all. Usually there's at least like a couple little holes like here. This board's still sitting out because I don't know how deep this hole goes. So anytime I find a little termite hole, I squirt soapy water with some vinegar. It's like 90% water, a bit of vinegar, and some like dish soap. And then, oh wait, no, there's a little bit right here. Sprinkle a bit of borax in there, because termites eat it, it kills them. Yeah, there's a little hole right there. And if there's a big hole, oh wait, there's another tiny one. I don't think anything's in there, but alright, sometimes I start looking and find, oh jeez. Nah, these are not termite holes, these are something else. I think that's from before. Whatever, I'll get them just in case. Anyway, if there's a bigger hole, I'll pull the vacuum cleaner out, suck out as many termites as I can before flooding it with soapy water. And then just stack them. Alright, get a few more here before I have to find a new spot. This board's really bad, but I don't see any more termites coming out of it. And I'm keeping this section flooded with soapy water. So yeah, you know, here, there's some termites that walked out of there. Looks like they're dead. Good. Here's some more termites that came out. Yeah, they can't. I want to make sure I flood that hole over there too. Anyway, this is the worst board. It's got like whole lines of termite holes. Well, no, this wasn't the worst board. There's a worse board that I threw in the ocean and I put a rock on it to hold it down. It actually sunk anyway, it was dense enough. But I'll leave it under the ocean water for probably overnight, I guess. Pull it out in the morning. But yeah, let's keep this guy flooded. I do still want to use all these boards. And this kind of reminds me of something I'm often reminded of, which is just do it myself. You know, I built my whole second floor and I cut those boards, and when I just don't cut wood that has termites in it. If it has termites in it, I leave it in the jungle. Anyway, all right, next board. All right, these have some termites in them a little bit, so I'll throw them away. I did find Grand Termite Station, Grand Central Termite, whatever you call it. There was one of these boards had along one of the edges a strip of bark still attached, you know, a live edge. There were a few others that I noticed when I received the wood. I took all those off because I know they can be a problem. But there's one that I missed. Man, there were thousands of termites under there. So, anyway, I think I got all the termites. I'm going to inspect all the boards before I put them back inside. I'm going to leave them out here for a few days. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. With some luck, it'll be nice and sunny tomorrow. That would be nice.
Yeah, that would.
Dude, let's go swimming. Alright, and I didn't even get all the boards yet. Although visual inspection says there's none in this section of the pile. However, I'm still going to have to take the whole thing apart. Maybe I'll just take them all and move them like right here one at a time and just check them all. But it looks like there's no termites in those. And I have 6 boards down at the beach held down with rocks.